Hi, I'm Josh, and welcome into the Quality Components Company Ask the Experts video series. Today we're going to review our 6000 and 7000 series handheld cutting torches. These cutting torches have the capacity to cut material up to 60 inches thick, and their extra large gas capacity flow can run up to 6,000 cubic feet per hour. This is perfect for applications that require a massive amount of cutting power. The differences between the 6000 and 7000 series torches are based solely on where the trigger rests and what your preferences are in the field. The 6000 series torch is a finger operated trigger on the bottom rear body, and the 7000 torch is a thumb operated trigger on the top rear body. Both of these torches require 6,000 cubic feet per hour of oxygen at 125 psi at the torch inlet. You'd need a 1/2 inch oxygen hose and a 3/8 inch T-grade fuel hose. These are not for use with acetylene, only oxygen and an alternative fuel. Now let's highlight some of the design and engineering behind what sets the QCC product apart from the rest of the industry. All of our QCC handheld torches are made the same way, and the 6000 series torch is a great example of that. Fully stainless steel, custom machined head, stainless steel tubing, braces set at any custom length a customer could ask for. We can run this torch anywhere from 20 to 30 inches long to 20 feet long. The stainless steel design and standard braces make the 6000 series torch an extra durable piece of equipment for your yard or mill. And again, there's no internal mixer. In any QCC torch, there's no internal mixer in a 6000 torch. That means that all of our tips and all of our torches are tip mix design. Your fuel gases don't mix until out here in the tip. There's no way for gases to come together in the torch, not in the body, not in the handle. That cuts out the requirement of using a flash arrestor in any of our setups. And it also increases safety for your operators. If there is an accident with a QCC torch, you're only going to have an issue out in the tip. You won't have any blowback or burning up where your operators are. Some of the options with which we can provide the 6000 and 7000 series torches are custom head angles. We provide a 75 degree, a 90 degree, or a 180 degree head. And again, they're all stainless steel construction. They're going to be extra durable. We can make these torches at any custom length you're looking for. We can go from just a few feet all the way to 20 feet or beyond if you have to have a torch that big and that heavy. These can be set up with a skid for cutting across long pieces of plate for emergency use in a steel mill. They can also be set up with heat shields. You can have a ball control valve, locking levers, and you can put a scarfing tip on this to remove surface defects like inclusions, pittings, and cracks from any steel slabs. We can also manufacture these torches to meet whatever hose configurations that you have in your yard. 2 hose, 3 hose. You come to QCCMFG.com, you can look at all of our part numbers on our part number configurator and choose what you need. The QCC 6 and 7000 series torches are designed to work with our 213 and 313 tip series. And the tips and the torches are all 100% custom made here in Mentor, Ohio in the United States. To wrap the 6 and 7000 series torches up, we provide these torches that can cut up to 60 inches in depth. They're great for any foundries, scrapyard steel mills, emergency cutting applications, fabrication, anything that you need. If you've got to cut up to 60 inches thick and you need maximum cutting power and gas delivery, the Quality Components Company 6 and 7000 series torches will provide the best bang for your buck in the industry. Please follow Quality Components Company on LinkedIn and like and subscribe our YouTube channel to get all of the QCC content updates.